up, natural babies? What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? AKA God, it's not even that serious. Okay. What's up, y'all? My name is Tatiana, aka Natural Baby. If you are new here today, welcome. Today we are going to be doing a makeup video. You know, I'm trying to get into that habit, getting like new styles of eyeshadow, new different ways I can do like my foundation, concealer, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's what we finna do, y'all. I finally figured out a way where y'all can see me. I kind of had the thought already, but I just didn't think it was gonna look right. I still don't think it's looking right, but we're gonna do it anyways. Thank you to my friend Jasmine as well. She also recommended this because, you know, it was weird having it side, like obviously y'all couldn't see me, all right? But we here, all right? So before we get started, go ahead and like that button. Don't forget to leave a comment on how this video is turning out, or if y'all just feel like I can do more, you know, let me know, get in the comments. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, y'all. I'm almost 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers. Yeah. All right. Before you know it, your girl is gonna be all up in the dang thousands and stuff. I'm gonna be like, oh my God. I'm gonna cry for real. This is like a dream come true. But let's get started though, because I'm super freaking excited to do my makeup, especially now that we here. Y'all can see me. Y'all can see me, okay? But let's go ahead and brush these eyebrows out. I like my eyebrows to be like, you know, got that arch. They flared out. But before, I kind of want to arch them too. Get in the comments and let me know if y'all want to see me arch my eyebrows. I haven't done it in so long. I do know how to do it. I usually go to a professional, which is my esthetician, my sister, my familia, who is Mars, and she usually does my eyebrows for me. For the people who wants to get like oh my God, what is it called? I haven't went in so long. Who wants to get an eyebrow tint and eyebrow wax? Business page is Mars Esthetician, and I believe that's how you pronounce it. And yeah, y'all, she does the dang thing. I'm gonna do another vlog as well, just so y'all can see how she does my eyebrows, because I just love it. She gives the whole thing, facial, all of the above. Let's go ahead and do these eyebrows. I'm going to use the CUTEEE glue to raise these eyebrows. I know, listen, y'all probably don't be leaving a comment, you know, saying it's funny, you know, just being in tune with me. But listen, I'm hilarious. And I don't need nobody to make me laugh, because I'm going to make myself laugh. Like I'm doing right now, literally. Like I feel like I'm just the funniest person in the world. I'm sorry, I just feel like that. I just dabbed a little bit of that CUTEEE glue. I don't want too much now, but you know, just a little something. And like I said before, for the makeup artists who watch my video, I can't see who's watching, y'all. I'm still trying to figure that out. I have gotten a little bit of stuff upgraded. I don't know if y'all realize that. But like, if y'all watching my video, for the people who do makeup and y'all got a better way than using the CUTEEE glue, please get in the comments and let me know. Most of the time though, people usually don't comment, which I understand. I'm not mad about it. I honestly don't comment on videos. I don't think I ever have, but it would be nice. So maybe I should start giving that, huh? Maybe I should start doing it. Now I have my brown pencil. This is what I'm going to use to underline my eyebrows. And yeah, this is almost gone. I need a new one. This is the NYX SPE 931. Y'all can see that. And then I'm going to use my Browy Wowie Baby. This is really going. And I'm mad because I have another one, but I don't know where she is. Like, I do have this right here, and this is, what is this? I want to say Anastasia. It's Anastasia, and it is soft brown. I don't even know why I'm telling y'all this. I don't even know if I'm gonna use it. But I kind of want to, just because, you know, I'm recording. So hey, we finna do it. Forget it. We finna try, y'all. I be so extra sometimes. If I don't like it, I ain't doing it. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit in here, and then I'm just gonna follow the line of my brow. And then I'm using like, I don't know, y'all, it's a brush that's kind of like it's an angled brush. That's what I'm using. And honestly, I might use this to color in, because I don't like that. So we finna use the pencil, y'all. I've never colored it in with this, y'all. But we gonna do it. We dabbing. Dab, dab, dab. And I actually like it for right now, huh? Now we're gonna go in with the concealer, and we're gonna use the Maybelline shade 30, and then we're gonna go in with the Makeup Forever shade 52. First, let's just go ahead and prime real quick. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Look at my little fat cheeks, y'all. I'm in the middle of like being really mean to myself. I know that just sounds all kinds of bad, but like for real, y'all, like I've been really mean to myself lately because I've always been like a skinny girl, and whew, within a blink of an eye, and I'm chubby. Like, y'all see my cheeks? So I'm in the middle of trying to love myself, y'all. I done got a new concealer, and I loved it in the beginning, but it's like now I don't use it anymore for some reason. I don't know why. So I'm trying to go back to that. All right, y'all, so I just lined my eyebrows up, put on some concealer right here. I look a hot mess. It ain't looking too good, but ooh, let's go ahead and get to the eyeshadow, because I remember saying that I should have did my eyeshadow first. So I was gonna do, I'm still debating, I was gonna do a yellow and the orange, but now I'm looking at this purple, and I don't know why I'm feeling like I want to be a purple today. I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush right here, and I'm gonna use it to add some black at the top. I just want to add some black, and then I'm add some purple. I'm gonna use this brown right here, and it's called Next. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna use my brush. I'm gonna dab it in there. Dab it in there like this, and then I'm gonna shake it off a little bit, and I'm just gonna add it to the top right here, and I'm gonna swirl it.
Me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
All right, this is usually where I mess up on, because this don't be dry and I just don't have the patience. So I'm just finna go ahead and do it, because I can't. Like, sis, you need to hurry up and dry.
That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna do white eyeliner, and this is the only way I know how to do it. I still don't know how to do it, but I'm getting there. So I start from the corner of my eye right here and just kind of go up like this, and then I kind of close my eye just so I can see it. Don't worry, y'all, I look cockeyed right now. I'm looking kind of crazy, and I'm just gonna close it and just drag her down like this. Okay, you see me? You see me? And then color her in. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyelashes. Okay, I'm gonna go under with this white eyeliner, y'all. And I'm really just gonna try to dab it with that purple, that glitter purple. I'm gonna use this Armani, and it's shade 10. This is my shade. I haven't used liquid foundation in a minute. I've been using like the cream, which is like a, I really want to call it a matte, but I guess you could say a cream foundation, which is a lot better on me. And I should have just went with it, because now I'm stuck with this. But I'm gonna try to fix it with with some concealer and just contour my face. That's what I'm just finna try to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go under the eyes. Nose. Forehead. Above the lip. And chin. That was too much on the chin, y'all. Too much. Don't do that. Now I'm gonna go in with my darker concealer. Go on the sides. Just make a line. And above the forehead.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe your love.
And I'm gonna go in with the powder. I got this one for under the eyes, you know, where the lighter part is at. And then I also, this powder right here is a little darker. This is Fit Me shade 35. And this is LA Girl shade GPP6. Why do they have to put two P's? God, I just sounded like PP. GPP 608, and it's called Soft Honey. I guess it's called Soft Honey. You ain't even gotta say PP, Lord. And then I'm gonna add some lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face right now. I'm gonna spray it. Okay, so I'm gonna come back, y'all, whenever I like get dressed, put on some clothes, show y'all the little fit or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna have like some maybe lip gloss on. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back and show y'all that in like 5 seconds.
I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, I want you.
Alright, y'all, so I just put on this little cute purple shirt. I'm not gonna lift all the way up because I got some big old double D's. So yeah, they kind of poking a little bit. So can't show that, can't show my business. I don't mind because I'm like real close, and apparently my eyelash ain't sticking. But yeah, what y'all think about this purple look that I got going on? First, I kind of regretted doing purple. I was like, dang, I should have did yellow like I said I was gonna do. But I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. Like, But yeah, let me know how this came out for y'all, if y'all like it. Yeah, so don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I love y'all for joining me on another makeup video. I really hope that y'all continue to help me grow. So I'm gonna get y'all later. Let me know how I did, y'all. I'm out. Peace.